video, we are going to take a look at a potential winning product, which is Hands Free Gardening Stool. And we are also going to check the competition for the product, the profit margin, Amazon reviews, and USP of the product. Let's play the video for you. To figure out the USP of this product, all you have to do is play the game of USP. In that game, all you need to do is answer why will someone buy this? Okay, let's take a look at the competition. And for that, all I have to do is click on this button and it's going to use these images that we have here in the AliExpress listing. And it's going to use these images and tell us who is trying to sell this product and by using these images and is on Shopify. Okay, as we can see, there is one person who has at least tried to sell this product. Okay, so this isn't the kind of product which is like totally saturated. You can definitely, if you understand the market well and if you can come up with some good angles, you can definitely give it a try. Okay, let's take a look at Amazon and also take a look at the profit margin. As you can see, this product is you can source this product for less than $11 if you have got the right sources, and on Amazon it's being sold for $33 or $34 almost. Okay, and if you want to get some good angles, then I would highly recommend you to go through the listing and the reviews and everything else that this Amazon listing has to offer. Okay, one more problem that most of the people face when they are trying to run unsaturated product is they can't find enough creatives to test out. Okay, for that, all we have to do is take the title of this product, go back to the dashboard of Super Ali, paste the title here. In the advanced filter, select import data as all time and select videos only. What this is going to do is this is going to filter and show us only those products which have videos and which have a similar title. As you can see, there is one listing, two and three. There are three listings. Probably they have same creatives or different creatives. You would have to check that out, but that's how you can easily find creatives for the product by using Super Ali. Okay, once again, figure out the USP of the product. You can answer why will someone buy this, and you can go through the reviews. Sorry, you can go through the reviews here. Okay, and this should be able to help you market this product very well. I'll see you in the next video.